Yeah, one time when we were dating, we got a late checkout.
I've only dated him for a week.
I don't think he actually dated her.
Dad, this is Doug, a guy that I'm dating.
I'm dating Peter now.
I'm dating a Russian cab driver.
Well, you should break up with your fake high school girlfriend.
You didn't break up with Jordan to be with me.
That's why I broke up with Michael. Like I said, I broke up with my boyfriend and it's...
You've broken up with girls before?
Yes, because the girl hadn't broken up with a boyfriend.
Look, the guy broke up with you over text.
He broke up with you over text message?
Look, Elliot, you tell Randy to be a grown-up and break up with her over text.
My last online date totally ghosted me.
I mean, you ghosted me.
We made this plan. I helped her get what she wanted. And now when it was my turn, she ghosted me?
What do you think is gonna happen if I ghost him now?
I say we ditch him, ghost him, blow him off.
I never, ever used to believe in love at first sight.
Love at first sight.
Would you believe in a love at first sight?
I never, ever believed in love at first sight.
They felt a zing. Love at first sight.
I'll get the prince to fall in love with me.
Have Fiona drink this and she'll fall in love with the first man she kisses, which will be charming.
He fell in love with the warlord's daughter.
This is where I first fell in love with art.
Fallen in love with him?
I have fallen in love with him.
I haven't fallen in love with him.
But did you fall out of love with Mommy?
She's supposed to fall out of love with you.
Will you fall out of love with me?
Did you program her to flirt with me?
You don't need to flirt with me.
Okay, maybe I flirted with him.
You flirted with me.
Well, men may flirt with girls like that, but they don't marry them.
JoJo having our little situationship on the situationship on the situation.
Lisa and I have a rather complicated situationship.
It's a bit of a situationship.
Situationship.
And what about this mystery situationship?
Is that why you're in a relationship with somebody who's never around?
Have you ever been in a relationship with a girl before?
You're in a relationship with me.
I was in a relationship. When we reconnected, she was in a relationship, and by the time they broke up, I had a girlfriend and just...
A guy without friends can be really clingy.
He's clingy.
Okay, getting a little clingy on me here.
Don't come off like some clingy girlfriend.
Maybe I wouldn't be if you weren't so clingy.
You don't talk to me and then you say you have a crush on me? He's had a crush on you since, like, ever.
You had a crush on me?
Bryce Losky does not have a crush on me.
I can't believe I have a crush on a girl with such cliche wishes.
It's not great news that my husband is in love with another woman.
She is in love with you, Harvey.
You are in love with him, maybe?
You are in love with her.
You are in love with David, aren't you?
But I would definitely hit on you.
So I could stand in the corner and watch you hit on girls and get in fights? First time this guy saw you, he told me he was gonna hit on you.
Did Johnny ever hit on you?
Did he hit on you or something?
Can't hit on women in my own bar. They were on a date?
You were on a date with Toby.
Well, the thing is, my wife and I are on a date, and we were hoping that tonight would be sort of special.
You are on a date with Sethany?
I asked her out.
I asked her out to a movie.
I'm gonna ask her out at New Year's.
Did he ask her out?
Well, maybe I'll ask her out then.
Wonder if I should ask her out.
How come you get to be the big spoon?
You could be the big spoon. Being the big spoon.
No, actually Zoe's the big spoon and I'm the little spoon.
Well, what if I want to be the little spoon?
I don't like being the little spoon.
You think I might tell everybody in the courtroom that you like to be the little spoon?
Everyone likes to be the little spoon.